this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've purchased an online game and you want to go and install it to your Switch, then you first need to go in redeem the code. So I've got my code already here, which is for Mario Kart World, and you can see this series of numbers at the bottom, which is my code. So first, just come over to the home screen on your Switch. You can then click on the Nintendo eShop in the bottom navigation, and you'll need to go and sign in to your account. If you don't already have a Nintendo account, then you can create one completely for free, but I'm just going to sign in like so. Now, once you're signed in, we can click on Redeem Code at the bottom of this left-hand menu. And here's where you can go and enter the code to go and redeem your game. So this code is typically going to be 16 digits long, and it should look something similar to this. So you can just click on this box and go and enter your code. Once you've entered it, we can press OK to go and redeem and start downloading our game. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.